Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how easy you can power on or power off noise cancelling in this Beats Studio Free headset. So take a look. Currently, when the noise cancelling is turned on, this small indicator will be like that, will be turned on. When you double click on the power button, it will light up and then disappear. Also, you will hear notification sound on your headset. So one more time, to power on noise cancelling, double tap on the power button. One more time. Okay, just like that. As you can see, you have to try for a few times. It's not working for the first time. And to power off, just like that. And that's how we can power on and power off noise cancellation in this device. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.